If your Vax Blade is flashing red and white when you plug it in and there's no power to it at all, this video is just to explain what's going on so you're not wasting any money or time trying things that are never going to work. Also, at the end of the video, I have a quick little workaway around it so you don't have to buy a complete vacuum cleaner. So obviously this red light isn't normal, it's to indicate that there's a battery fault, and once this happens, it's very unlikely that the vacuum cleaner will ever power up again. Cleaning the filter, looking for blockages, and buying a new charger isn't going to help. So what can we do about this battery fault? Well, on these old Vax Blades, the battery lies deep inside the body. It's not like an external battery you can just buy off Amazon like the new Vax Blades are. So I've had a look, and you cannot find these battery packs anywhere. Vax don't sell them, nor do they sell the complete body with them in, which is a bit of a shame really. So the only way I can think of getting around this problem is to go on eBay and look for a replacement body. Now, these are available and there's quite a few, and they're around £20–25, so not an awful lot of money. Now they might be used, but £20–25 is so much better than buying a complete vacuum cleaner. You can just put your tools onto it and away you go. I do hope this video has helped you to understand what's going on with your Vax. If you do go down the route of buying a used body, then the next video might be helpful for you. It shows you how to give your Vax a total deep clean.